Are you ready to transform your cooking experience with a wok that combines innovative technology, premium materials, and versatile functionality? This Dotclad 13-inch hybrid wok pan with lid offers a revolution in cookware with its unique Snowflake technology, high-quality stainless steel build, and superior non-stick surface. Whether you're a professional chef or a passionate home cook, this wok is crafted to make cooking effortless, enjoyable, and healthier. With features like dishwasher and oven safety, compatibility with all stovetops, and a durable design, the Dotclad Wok promises to become the centerpiece of your kitchen arsenal. The standout features: 1. Snowflake Technology for dual cooking surfaces. The wok's innovative Snowflake technology uses laser etching to create a hybrid surface that combines stainless steel and non-stick properties. This dual-layer design allows you to cook with minimal oil, butter, or grease while still achieving perfect sears and flavors. With 50% more clad surface than traditional hex pans, this wok redefines cooking efficiency. 2. Multi-layer composite steel for even heating. The Dotclad Wok is designed with multi-layer composite steel, which ensures rapid and even heat distribution. This feature eliminates hot spots and enhances cooking precision, whether you're stir-frying vegetables, deep-frying tempura, or braising meats. 3. Premium stainless steel build. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the wok is designed for durability and longevity. Unlike Teflon or ceramic pans, this wok offers a completely non-toxic cooking surface, ensuring a healthy and safe cooking experience. 4. Easy maintenance. Cleaning is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, but the Dotclad Wok makes it a breeze. Its non-stick surface prevents food from sticking, and the stainless steel material resists stains and odors. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. 5. Versatile and universal compatibility. This wok is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, glass, and halogen. The flat base ensures stability, making it ideal for any kitchen setup. Its large size also accommodates big portions, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Performance. A closer look. Number 1. Cooking experience. The Dotclad Wok excels in creating restaurant-quality dishes at home. The non-stick surface ensures that even delicate foods like eggs and fish don't stick, while the stainless steel layer offers the perfect texture for stir-frying and sautéing. From crispy stir-fried noodles to perfectly braised short ribs, this wok does it all with ease. Number 2. Durability. Durability is where the Dotclad Wok truly shines. The high-grade stainless steel is resistant to scratches, warping, and corrosion, ensuring that this wok remains a reliable kitchen companion for years. Number 3. Health benefits. Cooking with minimal oil not only reduces calorie intake, but also helps retain the natural flavors and nutrients of your ingredients. The Dotclad Wok supports healthier cooking habits without compromising on taste or quality. Key benefits. 1. Enhanced cooking control. The hybrid surface provides unmatched control over heat and texture, allowing you to switch seamlessly between searing, frying, and steaming. 2. Eco-friendly cooking. Say goodbye to toxic coatings that chip or degrade over time. The non-toxic surface of this wok is designed with your health and the environment in mind. 3. Time-saving features. With even heat distribution and quick cooking times, you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals. How it compares. When compared to other woks like the hex-clad or traditional carbon steel options, the Dotclad Wok stands out for its unique blend of modern technology and timeless durability. Why you should choose the Dotclad Wok. For beginners, easy to use and clean, making it perfect for new home cooks. For professionals, advanced features like the hybrid surface and multi-layer steel provide precision and versatility. For health enthusiasts, non-toxic and oil-saving design promotes healthier meals. What customers are saying. The Dotclad Wok has received rave reviews from users who appreciate its superior performance, innovative design, and ease of use. Customers frequently highlight its ability to handle a wide range of cooking techniques and its compatibility with various stovetops. Final thoughts. This Dotclad 13-inch hybrid wok pan isn't just another piece of cookware. It's a game changer. With its state-of-the-art Snowflake technology, premium materials, and user-friendly features, this wok sets a new standard in modern cooking. Whether you're an aspiring chef or a seasoned professional, the Dotclad Wok offers unmatched versatility and performance. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.